Good morning students. Today we are going to learn chapter 7 triangles theorem 7.2. The theorem 7.2 is angles opposite to equal side. Angles opposite to equal side of an isosceles triangle are equal. This is your theorem 7.2. It means this is your isosceles triangle. Triangle ABC okay, in which side AB is equal to side AC. It is given to you. Okay, now given क्या क्या बेटा है? Given a triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. It is given to you. Any doubt till here? Any doubt students?
No ma'am.
To prove, अब हमें proof क्या करना है? To prove, हमें proof क्या करना है? Proof we have to prove that angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. It means we have to prove that angle B is equal to angle C. We have to prove that. ठीक है? हम सभी लोगों को पता है कि आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल के दो साइड्स इक्वल होते हैं और उनके अपोजिट एंगल्स भी आपस में इक्वल होते हैं. जानते हो ना बेटा? बस उसी को हमें प्रूफ करना है. ओके, नाउ प्रूफ. सबसे पहले प्रूफ से पहले भी आपका कंस्ट्रक्शन पार्ट. कंस्ट्रक्शन क्या करेंगे? Draw the bisector of angle A which is intersect BC at D. Okay. AD क्या है? What is AD? AD is the angle bisector of angle A. This is your construction. Okay. It is clear to you? Board is not visible?
Yes ma'am. No, this is visible. No ma'am, visible now. Yes ma'am, it is visible.
It is
visible.
okay.
What is visible?
Okay. So draw the bisector of angle A. It means angle BAD. This angle is equal to the angle DAC because जो AD है, this is the angle bisector of angle A. ये angle A का bisector है. Is it clear to you? Construction part is clear to you?
Yes ma'am.
Now
Yes ma'am.
proof. अब हम proof करेंगे. Okay? The proof is take a triangle. In triangle ABD angle BAD is equal to angle CAD by construction and AD is a common side.
Perpendicular.
No बेटा, AD is a common side. हमें ये congruent proof करना है ना दोनों triangle. AD is a common side.
AB and AC.
Common side. So by which congruency rule? By which congruency rule both the triangles are congruent?
And here.
Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. By side, angle, side, both the triangles are congruent to each other. By
Now,
yes.
so the angles which are to be proved, they are to be proved by CPCT.
Yes, by CPCT. We have to prove by CPCT, na? Congruence part of corresponding parts of congruent angles. If both the triangles are congruent to each other, then angle B is equal to angle C by CPCT. It's proved. Any doubt, students?
No, ma'am.
Any problem?
No.
Okay. Now, students, this is your theorem 7.3. The theorem is the sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Okay. This is your converse of theorem 7.2. ये theorem 7.2 का converse है theorem 7.3. The sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Here 7.2 theorem में क्या था कि the triangle is an isosceles triangle. Triangle आपका isosceles triangle था, यानी कि दो sides इसके equal थे. ये given था आपको. Proof क्या करना था? That their opposite angle are also equal. ये आपको proof करना था. But in this theorem, इस theorem में क्या है कि opposite angles are equal. ये आपको given है. Opposite angles are equal. एक triangle है. हमें नहीं पता कि ट्रायंगल कौन सा है, कैसा है, आइसोसीलियस है कि क्या है, हमें नहीं पता. वी नो दैट जस्ट कि एक ट्रायंगल है और उसके अपोजिट एंगल्स आर इक्वल. देन यू हैव टू शो दैट कि उसके अपोजिट साइड्स भी इक्वल होंगे. इट मींस द एंगल इज एन आइसोसीलियस ट्रायंगल. ये आपको प्रूफ करना है. दैट इज द कन्वर्स ऑफ थ्योरम 7.2. फर्स्ट लेट अस ड्रॉ अ ट्रायंगल. Triangle ABC, in which angle B is equal to angle C. Both the angles are equal. This angle and this angle are equal to each other. Given a triangle ABC in which angle B is equal to angle C. To prove, AB is equal to AC, you have to prove that. Construction, same construction. Construction is same. जैसा थ्योरम 7.2 में था वैसा ही इसमें है. Draw AD, the bisector of construction. It means that this angle is equal to this angle. ठीक है? Angle DAD, this is D. Angle BAD is equal to DAC. Till here it is clear to you, students?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
In triangle ABD and triangle ABD and ACD, angle ABD is equal to angle ACD given angle BAD is equal to angle CAD by construction. Is it? कंस्ट्रक्शन के अकॉर्डिंग, क्योंकि हमने एंगल बाइसेक्टर किया था बाय कंस्ट्रक्शन. And AD is equal to AD, that is the common side. This is also by the construction. So by which congruency criteria both the triangles are congruent to each other? Very good. No, S. Very good. AAS.
I have a doubt.
Yes.
Here the side is the included side in both the angles. So we will take ASC.
Included side कौन सी है बेटा? ये एंगल यहाँ पर है और ये एंगल यहाँ पर.
AD को लिया है ना.
हाँ, तो AD
दोनों एंगल्स के बीच में आ रहा है.
कौन से दो एंगल्स B और A के बीच में कहाँ आ रहा है? This is the B and this is the A. Included side तो ये वाली साइड होगी. AB side is included side ना?
Ma'am,
Yes.
if two angles are equal, the third will be equal.
Yes.
Then take AD also.
हाँ, we can take A also, लेकिन उसके लिए आपको ये स्टेटमेंट लिखना पड़ेगा कि in a triangle if two angles are equal then the third angle is also equal, so we can apply A ऐसे ये एक स्टेटमेंट और यहाँ पर ऐड होगा. Now it's clear or not clear?
Third question.
Yes, ask.
ASC अगर यूज करेंगे तो हम ADB और ADC मतलब अगर B को 90 ये भी तो लिख सकते हैं.
यहाँ पर बेटा 90 डिग्री ये यहाँ पर ये बोला है क्या कि परपेंडिकुलर है. परपेंडिकुलर वर्ड यूज किया है? परपेंडिकुलर वर्ड कहीं पे यूज किया है? यस या नो? टेल मी. यस.
अगर हमें परपेंडिकुलर बनाना है तो हमें
So by AAS congruency criteria, congruency rule, both the triangles are congruent to each other. Which triangle? Triangle
ABD and AC.
ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. So side AB
So AB is equal to
AC. Okay students, now let us start examples. Okay, the example number 4 is in figure ABC. In figure ABC, the bisector AD of angle A, it means कि AD जो है वो angle A को bisect कर रहा है. It means BAD, angle BAD is equal to angle DAC. Angle is perpendicular to a side BC. Is a perpendicular to a side BC. यहाँ यानी कि यहाँ पर कितना डिग्री बन रहा है बेटा? 90 डिग्री. Show that AB is equal to AC. You have to show that AB is equal to AC and triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. और triangle ABC क्या है? एक isosceles triangle है. तो firstly given क्या है आपको? Given a triangle ABC in which AD is a perpendicular AD is a bisector of angle A and AD is perpendicular on BC. This is given to you. Okay. To prove क्या करना है? To prove AB is equal to AC and triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Now proof in triangle.
Ma'am, in this we do not have to draw the construction.
No, already ये 2 parts में divided है. Already ये bisect किया हुआ है, ये आपको given है. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
ABD and triangle ACD. Both the triangles we can take. In which angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. Given. Is it given to you, na beta?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now AD is equal to AD, that is a common side, common, and angle ADB is equal to angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. This is also given to you. Given. So by which criteria? By which congruency rule? ASA. Congruency rule. Both the triangles. Which triangle? Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Okay. So AB is equal to AC by which? By CBCD. Or triangle ABC is It's clear to you?
Yes, ma'am. Understand.